Thank you for visiting the Coin Lady channel again. Terra Classic price breakout expected to be more than 342%, according to top analyst. What's next for Lunc? We will address these topics and more news in today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and give this video a massive thumbs up. This is the spot for you if you're keen on all things related to Terra Classic. The Terra Tritium token will serve as our introduction. As most of you are aware, Terra will soon be able to bridge the gap between all blockchains. Consequently, I believe it is now worthwhile to purchase the street token, which will be utilized to pay for petrol or commissions. This will not only facilitate future commission payments, but also allow one to benefit from the token's potential for growth. In a matter of weeks, the token will be in high demand as everyone will be buying it to trade on exchanges, allowing you to earn a tidy sum. Right now is the best moment to buy street token because it is at its lowest point ever. You can find all the token connections in the description. Proceed to earn a profit without delay. So, let's get on to the next point that the leading expert suggests exciting news for more than 342%, the breakout in price of Terra Classic traditional Terra after a 9% climb to its current price of 0.30. The once beloved cryptocurrency now called as Luna is exhibiting signs of life once more. $129 according to prominent cryptocurrency expert Giovanni Marks. There are multiple bull indications that indicate the token's price might be about to skyrocket. Marks just updated his December research and pointed out a 3D breakout pattern on the Lunc chart, suggesting a possible climb towards 0.30's $593 in a recent post. This amounts to a whopping 342% increase from the present price, as per Marks. Although results from the past are no guarantee of future success. Marks cites a prior breakout in which Terra Classic prices above the target and continued their upward trajectory. This behavior implies that a similar rise may be in store this time around, following a concerning start to the year from a drop that started in December. With a 17.01% increase, Terra Classic since the beginning of the month, and there are many reasons to be hopeful regarding its trajectory going forward. Among these, the breakout pattern stands out as particularly crucial. The analyst mentioned that the 3D breakout pattern could be a sign of a trend reversal in technical analysis. When the pattern's resistance level is overcome by prices, a bullish move may be indicated by it. Additionally, the Terra Classic community has a great deal of enthusiasm for the endeavor. The community is collaborating with developers and validators to return USTC to $1, and the continuous support could give a boost to sentiment. The restoration of the Terra Classic habitat and the achievement of burn milestones have both had a major role in the rise of Luncs. In this deflationary paradigm, the digital asset's price rises as a result of scarcity as a result of the reduced supply. There has been a lot of pressure from the Lunc community to have token burns, and the token's value may rise again due to the scarcity that results from a decrease in supply. Always keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market might change dramatically and unexpectedly. Regulators' present roadblocks to the cryptocurrency sector, particularly in the United States, might impede the expected Lunc rebound. Nevertheless, the community wholeheartedly backed Marks's forecast, and a lot of people are still hoping for a turnaround. The enthusiasm in the cryptocurrency market for the Terra Classic ecosystem, along with major recent advances, has further strengthened the bullish feeling surrounding Luncs. It might not be too far away until Lunc regains its previous prominence. We should also discuss Lunc pricing analysis. As the bullish trend begins to fade, due to the extreme volatility in the crypto market, most major coins have entered a consolidation phase. As a result, the Terra Classic price encountered resistance at the 0.30's $137 level, which indicated an early negative reversal. In February, when the price of the Lunc coin recovered from its lowest support of 0.40's $918, it had enough energy to continue its recovery. Gains for the alternative coin surged 53.6%, achieving a peak of 0.30's $137, which is within 2 weeks. This upswing supported by rising volume and the rare reversal shows steady expansion. Nevertheless, altcoins caused concern about a possible new corrective trend with an intraday loss of 0.36% as the leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, struggled to break beyond the $52,000 mark. At the $137 resistance level, which is 0.30s, the Lunc price formed a lengthy rejection candle. If the upward pressure on supply continues, sellers might push prices down as much as 18% before finding support at $116, which is 0.30s. The inverted head and shoulder pattern, a popular reversal indicator, may be developed from examination of the daily period chart. A definite uptrend pattern has formed on this chart, marking the end of a dip. Therefore, prospective traders may find a good pullback opportunity at a retracement to 0.30 is $122 or 0.30s $11 if the overall trend is still favorable. Those seeking a secure entry point should hold off until the price breaks through the $137 resistance level, which is located at 0.30s. This possible breakout would complete the structure of the chart by increasing purchasing momentum and maybe driving the current rebound to 0.30s $184. The Terra Classic has increased its minimum deposit in an effort to reduce spam, so let's talk about it now. A proposal to raise the starting deposit requirement to 1 million Lunc is being voted on by the Terra Classic community. The Horror Classic community is debating yet another suggestion to change the minimum deposit in an effort to discourage spam, while spam proposals are still being considered. In September of last year, the minimum deposit amount was raised from 1 million Lunc to 5 million Sri Lankan. On the station wallet, users are currently voting on Proposition 12071, which seeks to increase the minimum initial deposit to 1 million Lunc. The Terra Classic community has noticed an uptick in poorly phrased or spammy proposals in the deposit voting section. The goal of this Terra Classic proposal is to make it so that no recommendations will be considered for inclusion in the deposit phase by establishing a barrier to entry. The minimum initial deposit ratio for governance proposal deposits will be raised to 20% as a result of the parameter update. There is currently a minimum deposit requirement of 5 million Lunc, and the necessary initial deposit is 1 million Lunc. It should be noted that the proposal is still required to achieve the deposit amount of 5 million Lunc, even though the beginning amount for the deposit phase will be 1 million Lunc. For the next step, the governance vote, to proceed. Almost all respondents have given their approval to the plan thus far. Nevertheless, there have been a small number of negative responses and abstentions among Veto's constituents. While all 18 validators have given their approval to the request so far, there are others in the Terra Classic community who think the amount should be far greater. At the moment, the price is $0.329. A 1% hike is the price of lunch within the last day, after a 15% increase the week before. During the same time period, the low is $0.30s $125, and the high is $0.30s $131. Lunc's price might soon hit 0.30s to the dollar, however trading volume has dropped by 24% in the last 24 hours. While this was going on, USTC's stock jumped over 5%. It has traded between 3 cents and $9 thus far in the first 24 hours. Let's not forget that the Classic Horror community is planning to burn 800 million tokens. As part of its deflationary or burning campaign, the Terra Classic community is preparing to remove another large amount of digital currency from circulation. The developers are reportedly trying to unload the 800 million USTC stored in the Risk Harbor wallet, as stated in a proposal put out by Frog Worded. Community proceedings reveal clear sectarian strife inside the Terra Classic community, which is a pattern that prevents important decisions like the 800 million USTC and the Risk Harbor from being made, as stated in the proposal. Ecosystem politics and drama have largely originated from this money. The tokens in this wallet will be burned according to an existing agreement. Because of the widespread discord in the Terra Classic community, it is believed that the wallet's administrators misplaced the keys, rendering the burning practically impossible. At present, the set of USTC tokens is valued at approximately $26 million. However, various stakeholders and parties cannot agree on the idea of chain burning through a hard fork. Now that the problem has been defined, the present solution aims to fix it via migrating contracts. This will give the assets back to the developers who are actively working on them, allowing them to burn up the enormous Lunc and USTC supply. This is Terra Classic's best chance of regaining its former glory and price valuation. Since its inception, the USTC burn update has seen a significant increase in the price of the algorithmic stablecoin and its sister token Lunc, indicating that the community is reacting positively to the news. Binance Exchange has been at the forefront of this effort, and if the current proposal is approved, the supply of USTC will be reduced from 8.9 billion to 8.1 billion tokens. What do you think about the bullish pattern that suggests a Lunc price will extend the recovery? Please note that this video is not an endorsement of any cryptocurrency or investment opportunity. Thank you for seeing, and if you found it entertaining, I would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, see you later.